Hey, it's your boy Sean and welcome to Supercars from the Hood. Now today I want to talk about buying cars to start a YouTube channel, and not just any kind of cars, supercars. Is buying a supercar to start a YouTube channel a good idea? I don't have supercar money. I am what you call broke, poor to be exact. I can't afford a regular car. I can afford a junk mobile maybe, but who wants to see that on YouTube? If I was to buy the most piece of crap car I could find, say I bought the cheapest such and such in the country, who would watch that? Because there's nothing as a poor person I could do with that car. Actually, what I could do is take that car to work. That would be the only thing I could do. That's the situation I'm in. I'm a little older than some of these YouTube guys, a lot older than the younger guys in the early 20s. I'm in my early to mid 30s. I'm 34. So I don't have the ambitions of going out buying a fast car and making videos, because I know that's not sustainable, especially starting out for YouTube. That's not something you really want to do. There's younger people out there who think if I own a Ferrari or a Viper or a Corvette and put that on YouTube, that people will view my videos and then I'll be able to afford a better car. Well, that's not really how YouTube works. The algorithm doesn't care if you own a Ferrari. It doesn't put that into the equation. And there are certain types of people who watch YouTube: the people who want to see you succeed and do well, and the people that want to see you crash and burn. So the first few videos of that car will do well, but people have short attention spans. They will eventually get tired of you and your car. Like, you have to change it up. You have to switch up what you put on your channel. And you also have to remember, people have varying degrees of taste, and there's also that fanboy aspect. Some people love Lamborghinis to the point that they hate any other car, especially Ferraris. They don't want any part of it. And then there's some people who love Ferrari who have a bit of a snobbish leaning towards them. I'm a Ferrari guy. I don't really consider myself snob, because I'm very humble in more ways than others. But my love for Ferrari doesn't make me look down on anybody who owns a Lotus, a Porsche, a Lamborghini. When I was a kid, my favorite car was a Lamborghini Diablo. It was, insane and all that stuff. Doors popped up and all that. You know how it is when you're a kid. I really wasn't into the Ferrari until after, and with the Enzo and all that, because to me that was something that was, out of mind, something I could never achieve. And I'm on a little different level now that I'm a lot older. I kind of went off on a little tangent, so let's get back to the topic at hand. Why buying a supercar to start an automotive YouTube channel is a bad idea? First, I don't want to speak in absolutes, because I don't want to say you buying a car for YouTube is absolutely a terrible idea, and buying a supercar to start a YouTube channel is a terrible idea, because sometimes you can get lucky and hit that break to get people to view your channel instantaneously. You can go viral like nobody's business online. It's a little harder now on YouTube than it was before. But let's say you don't go viral, and now you have this expensive sports car that you paid $40, $50, $70,000 for, and what do you do now? You bought it with the intentions of making YouTube videos, and that didn't work out, so now you're most likely going to sell the car off. If you're smart, you didn't buy a brand new car that's depreciated terribly after you took it off the lot, and hopefully when you sell it, you can get back what you paid for it. It would make for a very interesting story later down the line for your YouTube channel about that time you had to sell your sports car, or you couldn't afford it because you bought it for YouTube and it flopped horribly. And you know that happens, and those videos get tons of views and gets people into your channel and want to see what crazy stupid thing you do next. And that leads me to my main point. This YouTube journey isn't a sprint. This stuff takes a long time, which I'm learning myself being a new YouTuber. You probably won't get 100 subscribers that first year. It really does take time. You should take that money and invest in something that's more realistic, something that's gonna actually pay off in the long run. Don't waste your money here trying to blow up on YouTube. That comes with being consistent and uploading and bringing out the best content humanly possible. You really should start investing in YouTube when you get that first monetization video and it starts bringing in some revenue, to where you can make investments, smart investments into your channel, like better lighting, better cameras, better microphones, just better stuff, so you can bring more quality content for the viewers. Be consistent, guys. Just be consistent with YouTube. You don't need all the bells and whistles. Just post content that you care about, do stuff that you love, and people who love the things that you love will come to your channel and experience it with you. That's all you need for YouTube. And we all have that moment where we really want to quit when it's not going well, but don't. Just keep pushing through it. We all start from nothing. We all start from 0 subscribers, 0 views, and it doesn't happen overnight, guys. It really does take time. Just stick to it, stick to your guns, and build the channel that you want for yourself. And I'm sorry, guys, if this video is all over the place. You know, I like to say stuff that's from the heart. I don't write anything down because to me, that's just a little too fake and a little too much work. I just want to, you know, be able to get my point across, and hopefully people understand where I'm coming from. I'm trying to get better at putting these videos together, and hopefully you guys will take what I said in stride. And if it's helpful, I'm glad to hear. If it's not, I'm sorry. I'll try to do better. With that being said, I like to bring this video to a close. So if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. I have a lot in store for this channel, and I want you guys to be there with me. I'll catch you guys later.